Hello, I'm Simon from Gressingham. We're here at our site in Suffolk, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a duck crown and roast it with a lovely glaze. So here we've got one of our lovely Gressingham ducks. We just need to just trim the neck skin off a little bit so we can get in to remove the wishbone. Again, I'm just looking for either side of that so I can get in there to get that out. There we go. Once that's out, I'm just going to remove the wings. These could be kept on, but they're rarely eaten with the crown and best used for a sauce or a stock. Now we've removed the wings, we're going to remove the legs. All of our whole ducks often come with a pack of giblets. So in our giblets pack, they contain neck, heart and liver. The neck is great to add to your bones and roast off for your sauce, and the liver you can pan fry and serve as it is, or collect a few of them up and make a beautiful pate, parfait or terrine. So you'll see here, much like breaking down a whole duck, we're just taking the legs off, which we can use for another dish. Once we're here, just cut in between the ribs towards the back. Then just need to break that, and that will allow us to cut straight through without going through the bone. Once we're here, just going to check, make sure we don't need to trim anything up. I'm just going to trim a little bit of this skin on the top side and tuck that neck under. So there's our lovely duck crown. We're going to score this. We're going to take our time and score the skin on each side as many times as possible. This will make it look really nice when it's roasted and help render that fat, because we are just going to go into the oven without pan frying. So again, I'm just cutting through the skin. I don't want to go into the fat, just taking my time, using the tip of the knife, working all the way around. Again, when I'm working with a duck or a duck crown, I'm always moving the duck to help work for me. I don't want to be cutting at any weird angles. I want it to make sure it's as comfortable for me as possible. At this stage, once you've got it scored and ready to go, you could season this and leave it to marinate or air dry it, but they also work great just fresh and roasted. Once we're lovely and scored, we're just going to season and put in our tray to roast. So onto our tray, just going to season nicely with salt. We can be quite generous because a lot of this is going to cook off, and we need to season the whole duck breast. Once we're here, we're going to go into the oven at 200 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, looking for that core temperature in the thickest part for 70 degrees. I've just taken the duck crown out of the oven. We're at a core temperature of 60 degrees, so I'm going to glaze it now with some honey, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes and then bring it out and let it rest, and it should get to our nice core temperature of 70 degrees. So now that's drizzled, we're going to go back into the oven for that 5 minutes. So here we've got our duck crown. We glazed it in the oven. It then came out, moved over here to rest, made sure it had a nice coat of that honey glaze. I sprinkled it with a little bit of fresh thyme, and we've now let it rest for a good 20 minutes. Just help those juices transfer through the meat to keep it nice and succulent. Now I'm going to show you how to carve the duck breast. So I find the best way is to take a whole breast off at once. We can then slice it and plate it. So to start, just going down the middle, and the same way you would with taking a duck breast off a raw, you're just keeping the meat to one side and the bone to the other. And again, I'm just taking my time, keeping the meat there and the duck one side, working all the way down, and then we just need to go round the wing. Once we got that off, we'll just trim her up. I've just left a little bit of the bone on the back there, so we'll take that off, and we'll trim this skin at the top and take that bit off there. Now to serve, just going to square it up. That bit's for the chef, and then we'll carve nice slices from our beautiful cooked duck breast on the crown. Here today I've got a couple of fresh plums that I've just marinated in a little balsamic and dressed with a little herb. Plums are a great combination to serve with duck. And then finally, I've just got a little balsamic and port reduction just to finish this off. Just add it a little bit extra acidity to the plate. This would be great served again with some sauteed potatoes and green veg. And this is our glazed duck crown with plums.